Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Now let's start current affairs capsule, daily current affairs, October, day 13. ये इस मंथ का लास्ट लेक्चर है. ओके. Which country have largest number of poor people as per the Global Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index, that is MPI 2024. So ग्लोबल मल्टी डायमेंशनल पॉवर्टी इंडेक्स में किस देश में सबसे ज़्यादा पुअर प्रेजेंट है. ओके. एंड सो किस देश में सबसे ज़्यादा गरीबों की संख्या है. सो नेम ऑफ द कंट्री इज इंडिया. And the 2024 Global Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index is jointly published by the United Nations Development Programme and the Oxford Poverty and Human Development Institute, that is OPHI. Okay, so name of the country is India have largest number of poor people as per the Global Multi-Dimensional Poverty Index 2024. Lesser Interferometry Space Antenna, that is LISA mission is a collaborative project between NASA and which space agency? So Lesser Interferometry Space Antenna, that is LISA mission NASA के साथ कौन से स्पेस एजेंसी कोलैबोरेशन में है? सो नेम ऑफ द स्पेस एजेंसी इज ESA, that is European Space Agency. Okay, and NASA revealed the prototype of 6 telescope for the Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, that is LISA, and mission LISA is a joint mission between NASA and European Space Agency is set to launch in the mid 2030s. Okay, and its goal is to detect gravitational wave. Okay, so Laser Interferometer Space Antenna is a mission, is collaborative project between NASA and European Space Agency. Recently, who has inaugurated the कर्म योगी सप्ताह to boost civil service skill? हाल ही में किसने कर्म योगी सप्ताह लॉन्च किया to boost civil service skill? So name of the person is our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Karma Yogi Saptah or National Learning Week on 19 October 2024 at the Dr. Ambedkar International Center in New Delhi. Okay, and it aims to foster continuous skill enhancement among civil servant. Okay, so Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Karma Yogi Saptah to boost civil service skill. What is the current IUCN status of the giant salmon carp which was recently sighted in Mekong? So giant salmon carp का अभी current IUCN status क्या है? So it is a critically endangered. Okay, and it is found in northern Cambodia, Laos and Thailand and has seen in its population decline by over 90% due to overfishing and habitat loss. Okay, and this fish is critically endangered and according to IUCN, and the Mekong River is the longest river in Southeast Asia. Okay, so IUCN status of giant salmon carp is critically endangered. Who has recently launched the upgrade eShram One Stop Solution Portal? हाल ही में किसने eShram One Stop Solution Portal का अपग्रेड सिस्टम को लॉन्च किया? सो नेम ऑफ द पर्सन इज मनसुख मांडविया. ओके, एंड यूनियन लेबर मिनिस्टर मनसुख मांडविया लॉन्च द अपग्रेड eShram One Stop Solution Portal. It aimed to enhancing access to social security scheme for over 300 million unorganized workers in India. Okay, so name of the person is Mansukh Mandavia has recently launched the upgraded eShram One Stop Solution Portal. What is the India's rank at the economic freedom of the world's 2024 index? So economic freedom world 2024 index में इंडिया का रैंक क्या है? इंडिया का रैंक रहा है इस बार 84. Okay, and the Fraser Institute released the 2024 Economic Freedom of the World report and ranking 165 countries based on economic choice, and top 5 most economically free countries were Hong Kong, Singapore, Switzerland, New Zealand and USA. Okay, these are the top 5 country in the economic freedom index. Okay, and India का रैंक रहा इस बार 84th. Which organization released a World Economic Outlook रिपोर्ट इन अक्टूबर 2024? हाल ही में किस संगठन ने वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक आउटलुक रिपोर्ट को लॉन्च किया? सो नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज IMF. Okay, the International Monetary Fund released a World Economic Outlook report in October 2024. It forecast global growth to remain stable at 3.2% in 2024 and 25. Okay, and so IMF released a World Economic Outlook report in October 2024. Recently, who has become the first Indian woman to score 50 international goal? हाल ही में किस भारतीय महिला ने to score 50 international goal? So her name is Bala Devi. Okay, and footballer Bala Devi has become the first Indian woman to score 50 international goal, and she often referred to as India's goal machine. Okay, so she also known as a India's goal machine. Okay, now Bala Devi has become the first Indian woman to score 50 international goals. Recently, the second edition of the Sagar Kavach 2024 exercise was organized in coast of which Indian state? हाल ही में सागर कवच 2024 का दूसरा संस्करण किस जगह पर आयोजित किया गया था? सो नेम ऑफ द स्टेट इज गुजरात. ओके, एंड द इंडियन कोस्ट गार्ड सक्सेसफुली कंडक्ट द सेकेंड एडिशन ऑफ द कोस्टल सिक्योरिटी एक्सरसाइज सागर कवच ऑफ इट्स दिस ईयर ऑन 16 to 17 October 2024 and across Gujarat and Union Territory of Daman and Diu coast. Okay, and first edition happened in 11 and 12 July 2024 along the coast of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, so first edition कहाँ पर हुआ था? आंध्र प्रदेश में. अब ये दूसरा संस्करण that is second edition of the Sagar Kavach exercise, it was organized in Gujarat coast and Union Territory Daman and Diu coast. Okay, नाउ इज ए क्विज क्वेश्चन. इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. जिसका आंसर करेक्ट होगा उसके आंसर के पास में हार्ट साइन दे दूंगा. रिसेंटली व्हिच स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज अनाउंस्ड फ्री डायलिसिस फॉर किडनी पेशेंट? हाल ही में किस राज्य सरकार ने किडनी पेशेंट को डायलिसिस फॉर द किडनी पेशेंट को एक फ्री अनाउंसमेंट की घोषणा की है? सो दीज आर द ऑप्शन महाराष्ट्र, गुजरात, पंजाब या फिर हरियाणा. ओके, इसका आंसर आप लोगों को कमेंट सेक्शन में करना होगा. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब साइंस एक्सप्रेस. थैंक यू.